Welcome back to Meadow Street Media. Today, hot sauce unboxing from Amazon when we come back. Alright, now we're back. Let's open this up. Walmart was a lot of this stuff, so I had to order it online. There we go. There we go. Black label. Great for pork chops and steaks and shit like that. There you go. Yeah. This is the shit they don't sell in town here. I always had to go out of town to get it. And last time I did that, they didn't even have it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and... Just a right amount of spice and flavor. Smoky hot sauce. Thank you again for joining us at Meadow Street Media, and I'll see you again next time.